Hello everyone, my name is Dexter. I'm a kindergarten teacher in a Massachusetts urban school district which educates over 26,000 students. The student population is very differentiated by ability levels in all classrooms. I've been a kindergarten teacher for 12 years and a public educator for over 16 years. I have always been the go-to person in my building regarding technology and integrating it into classrooms. When I was asked to become a Google certified trainer for my school, I quickly jumped on board. After all, who doesn't want to have the title to go along with the job you already do? Anyhow, getting back to why I wanted to become a Google certified educator. The reason is I love technology. I love to see the excitement of the learners in my room when we use technology throughout the curriculum lessons, especially the little ones that I teach. But even better than that, I love to make my life as a teacher easier, which is what I want to show you today. As teachers, we are asked to assess students in all areas of the curriculum to show student progress throughout the year. Well, we are usually asked to do this in the form of paper and pencil assessment. If there are any kindergarten teachers out there watching this, you know, as well as I do, that this is a very daunting task. Here is an example of a quiz that I created using Google Forms. Creating this quiz cut down on the amount of copying that I had to do, and even better yet, saves me time as I don't have to go back to grade all of these assessments individually. When making this quiz, I made each question a required question, starting with the student name. From there, I began to type the questions. You're going to notice that the questions are just the letters of the alphabet. However, I will be using this form to mark student responses myself. If a student stated the correct letter, I marked it correct. If they did not, I set the second response on the form to Other. To do this, you have to hit the Answer key button under the question on the left-hand side. Once in the Answer key section, I marked off the correct answer and then also made each question worth 1 point. To continue to make questions and to save yourself some time, click on the icon that looks like two pieces of paper. This allowed me to duplicate my question, and from here on, I only have to change the actual question versus having to repeat all of the steps to give the responses a correct answer and assign the point value. Once you're done completing the quiz in Google Forms, be sure to click on the Responses tab. This is where you can set how you will see student data. You can either view responses right there in Forms itself, or you can create a Google Sheet that will be linked to the data. I chose to link my data to a Google Sheet, like this. I then conditionally formatted the score column. You can see on the right-hand side how I formatted my sheet. This helped me to look at the assessment data quickly, but also has been a lifesaver to me as I no longer need to correct individual student assessments. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video and will try to use this in your class. Thank you for watching.